What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my ninth dividend payment from AGNC Investment, ticker symbol AGNC. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've been able to start to get some dividend payments here, and in this video, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys my ninth dividend payment with AGNC, one of the companies that I should have grabbed a lot more shares from once I picked it up initially, but you know, you live and you learn. All right, so honestly, I've been in a really good position overall. I think I have about 12 companies that I'm invested with, and 11 of them pays dividends. Tesla is the only one that doesn't pay dividends, but for the most part, I'm in the green with the majority of those companies. And so I think dividend payment is a really good way to make passive money from the stock market. So I'm going to be adding some different types of investments as far as my portfolio is concerned. I will be adding some ETFs moving forward whenever I get off of my butt and actually decide to put money into my Robinhood account and get that going. So I will be making those videos talking about ETFs. As a matter of fact, I already made a video talking about 4 ETFs that you should consider. I'll be sure to link that video at the top right of this one. So be sure to check that out after you watch this particular video. So right now, you guys can see on the screen my current portfolio with Robinhood. As of today, at the making of this particular video, my account is $200,000 and some change. As you guys can see, I'm still in the red. I'm still very much in the red overall. Since May of 2020, which is when I'm kind of counting since I started reinvesting in the stock market, I have invested $206,000, and currently my portfolio is $200,000. So I'm still down since May of 2020, $4,300, call it $4,400, okay? And so what's interesting is you guys can see my journey since May of 2020. There was a point where I was down substantially, negative $63,000 in October of 2020. Now, the reason why I share that with you guys is because I want you guys to have a pretty transparent view of what's going on with my particular portfolio. Since I've opened my Robinhood account, which was back in 2016, way back over here, I have deposited in the account at some point $211,000. Now, I'm not worried about that because I'm really just kind of counting my investments from May of 2020. So as far as I'm concerned, $206,000 is where I'm sitting, and I'm still down, like I said, but that is going to change, and it's going to change pretty soon. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the AGNC tab here, and as you guys can see right now at the making of this video, AGNC is trading for $16.19. My overall market value is $3,090. My total return, which is pretty freaking cool, is plus $245.31. I'm up 8.62%, which is really exciting. Once again, it would have been a lot more amazing if I had grabbed a lot more shares when I grabbed shares with AGNC, but I didn't. Currently, my average cost per share is $14.90. I currently have 190 shares. And so I'm going to scroll down here and show you guys the latest dividend payment that I got from AGNC. Once again, this is my ninth dividend payment. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the most recent dividend payment I got was for $22.74, and this is July 12th. If I click on that here, because I owned 189.509 shares at the time, AGNC was paying 12 cents for each share, which allowed me to get $22.74. Also on July 12th, because I have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on, the DRIP, on Robinhood, they automatically grab more shares for you. So they reinvest the dividend payments so you don't have to do it yourself, which can be pretty convenient if you have, investments with several companies. Sometimes it's just a pain in the butt to actually come back and grab the shares yourself. So if you have DRIP turned on, Robinhood will automatically do that for you. So Robinhood was able to grab right here with the market buy, they were able to grab 1.349 shares at $16.85. So, basically one and some change worth of shares for $16.85. Now, it's interesting because they grabbed the shares for $16.85, and right now it's $16.19. The thing about it is I used to worry about trying to, time it myself and grab the shares myself. But the more I have invested in different companies, I realize that I don't have the time because I get multiple dividend payments every single month, right? Like I average between 6 to 8 dividend payments monthly, okay? So I don't have time. I mean, I guess I could, but to have to like watch the stock and say, oh, it's low enough, now I should purchase. It's a pain in the butt. It's just a lot more convenient to have the drip turned on Robinhood, okay? I'm going to scroll down here and click on show more right here, and then I'm going to click on dividends because I want to show you guys this is my 9th dividend. So if I start at the top, that's number 1 here, July 12th, June is 2, May is 3, April is 4, March is 5, February is 6, January is 7, December is 8, and November is 9. So once again, 9 dividend payments, and that's pretty exciting. I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot. It's only $22.74, but the payments are increasing every single time, which is a very, very good thing. And this is going to continue to grow over the years. I plan on being able to have passive income and be able to live off of my dividend payments in addition to some of the other investments that I will be making as far as ETFs are concerned. There's going to be some growth that will take place with those ETFs that I will be purchasing pretty soon. And of course, they have dividend payments that I will also receive from that as well. So I'm really excited about my journey. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. That way you can get informed as to what I'm doing and what's working for me and what you should consider doing and what may work for yourself. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.